Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Haidar. I am discuss the history of English literature and discuss the different ages of history of English literature. First age, Old English period, जिसे एंग्लो सैक्सन पीरियड कहते हैं, 450 to 1066. नेक्स्ट पीरियड, मिडिल इंग्लिश पीरियड, 1060 to 1500, यानी 1066 से लेकर 1500 तक. नेक्स्ट पीरियड, द रेनेसांस पीरियड, 1500 से लेकर 1660 तक. नेक्स्ट पीरियड, एलिज़ाबेथन एज, 1558 to 1603. जैकोबियन एज, 1603 to 1625. कैरोलाइन एज, 1625 to 1649. कॉमनवेल्थ पीरियड टू 1649 to 1660. Second name is Puritan. Next age, the New Classical period, 1660 to 1685. Next period, Restoration period, 1660 to 70, यानी 1660 से लेकर 1700 तक. नेक्स्ट, द ऑगस्टन एज, इसे एज ऑफ पोप कहा जाता है, 1700 से लेकर 1745 तक. नेक्स्ट, द एज ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी, जिसे एज ऑफ जोहन्सन भी कहा जाता है, 1745 से लेकर 1785 तक. नेक्स्ट, द रोमांटिक एज, 1785 से लेकर 1830 तक. विक्टोरियन एज, 1832 से लेकर 1901 तक. द परी एज, 1848 से लेकर 1860 तक. डिक्लाइंस एज, 1880 से लेकर 1901 तक. द एडवर्टेरियन पीरियड, 1901 से लेकर 1914 तक. द गॉर्जियन एज, 1910 से लेकर 1936 तक. द मॉडर्न पीरियड, 1914 से लेकर 1945 तक. द पोस्ट मॉडर्न पीरियड, 1945 से लेकर अब तक, यानी प्रेजेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश पीरियड, जिसे ओल्ड इंग्लिश या एंग्लो सैक्सन पीरियड कहा जाता है. The Old English period or the Anglo-Saxon period refer to the literature produced from the invasion of Catholic England by Germanic Kabyle tribes in the first half of the 50th century to the conquest of England in 1066, यानी 1066, by William the Conqueror. During the Old English period, written literature began to develop from oral tradition, and in the 18th century, poetry written in the vernacular Anglo-Saxon appeared. One of the most well-known 18th century Old English pieces of literature is Beowulf, a great Germanic epic poem. Two poets of the Old English period who wrote on biblical and religious themes were Candide Beowulf. The next age, Middle English period. The Middle English period consists of the literature produced in the 4.5 century between the Norman conquest of 1060 and about 15, when the standard literary language derived from the dialect of the London area became recognizable as modern English. Prior to the second half of the 14th century, vernacular literature consists primarily of the religious writing. The second half of the 14th century produced the first great age of secular literature. The most widely known of these writings are Geoffrey Chaucer, the Canterbury Tale, very famous work of Chaucer, the Anonymous Forgiven and the Green Knight, and Thomas Morse Arthur. English Renaissance period. While the English Renaissance began with the fifth of the House of Tudor to the English throne in 1485, the English literature Renaissance began with English humanists such as Sir Thomas More and Sir Thomas Walt. In addition, the English literary Renaissance consists of four subsets: the Elizabethan Age, the Jacobean Age, the Caroline Age, and the Commonwealth period. The Elizabethan Age. The Elizabethan Age of English literature consists with the region of Elizabethan I, 1558 to 1603. During this time, medieval tradition was blended with Renaissance optimism. Lyric, poetry, prose, and drama were the major styles of literature that followed during the Elizabethan Age. Some important writers of the Elizabethan Age, including William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Adam Spinner, Sir Walter, and Ben Jonson. Then next, the Jacobean Age. The Jacobean Age of English literature consists with the region of James I, 1603 to 1625. During this time, the literature became sophisticated, somber, and conscious of social abuse and rivalry. The Jacobean Age produced rich prose and dramas, as well as the King James translation of the Bible. This is the great work of this period. Shakespeare and Jonson wrote during the Jacobean Age, as well as John Donne, Bacon, and Thomas. The Caroline Age. The Caroline Age of English literature coincides with the region of Charles I, 1625 to 1649. The writer of the age wrote with refinement and elegance. The area produced a circle of poets known as the Cavalier poets, and the dramatists of this age were the last two writers in the Elizabethan tradition. कि ये एलिज़ाबेथन दौर की रवायात के मुताबिक ही चल रहे थे. The Commonwealth period. The Commonwealth, also known as the Puritan interregnum of English literature, including the literature produced during the time of Puritan leader Oliver Cromwell. This period produced the political writing of John Milton, Thomas, Political Territories, Leventh, and the prose Andrew Marvell in September of 1642. The Puritans clove theatres on moral and religious ground for the next 18th century. The theatres remained close accounting from the lack of drama produced during this time period. Next period, the New Classical period. New Classical period of English literature, 1660 to 1785, was much influenced by contemporary French literature, which was in the midst of its greatest age. The literature of this time is known for its use of philosophy, religion, skepticism, wit, and reinforcement. The new classical period also marks the first great age of English literary criticism. Much like the English literary Renaissance, the new classical period can be divided into three subsets: the Restoration, the Augustan Age, and the Age of Sensibility. The Restoration 1660 to 70 यानी 1660 से लेकर 1700 तक is marked by the restoration of the monarchy and the triumph of reason and tolerate our religion and political passion. The Restoration produced an abundance of prose and poetry, and the destructive comedy of the manners known as Restoration comedy. It was during the Restoration that John Milton, published by Paradise Lost and Paralyzed Regent. This is very famous work, include the different programs of BS, BA, and explain the different writers, different languages into Paradise Lost. Other major writers of the era include John Donne, John Walmort's second arrival of Shifter and John. Next, the English Augustan Age. The English Augustan Age derives its name from the brilliant literary period of Virgil and Ovid under the Roman Empire. Augustan 27 BC to 14 AD. In English literature, the Augustan Age 1700 to 1745 यानी 1700 से लेकर 1745 तक refer to literature with the predominant characters of reinforcement, clarity, elegance, and balance of judgment. Well-known writers of the Augustan Age, including Jonathan Swift, Pope, and Daniel Defoe. A significant contribution of the time period include the release of the first English novel by the Defoe and the novel of Defoe and the novel of character Pamela by Samuel Richardson in 1740. Pamela is a very famous novel. In this age and during this age, the present age, the age of sensibility. During the age of sensibility, literature reflected the worldwide of enlightenment and began to emphasize instinct and feelings rather than judgment and restraint. A growing sympathy for the Middle Ages during the age of sensibility sparked an interest in medieval ballads and folk literature. Another name of this period in the age of Johnson because the dominant author of the period were Samuel Johnson and his literary and intellectual circle. The period also produced some of the greatest early novels of the English language, including Richardson, Clarissa 1745, and Henry Fielding's Tom Jones 1749. The Romantic Age. I have discussed the Romantic Age. Romantic period of English literature began in the late 18th century and latest until the approximate 1872 in general romantic literary can be characterized by its nature. Personal nature. Its strong use of feelings. Its absurd use of symbolism and the exploration of the nature and the supernatural. In addition, the writings of the Romantics were considered innovative based on their belief that literature should be spontaneous, imaginative, personal, and free. The Romantic period produced a wealth of authors, including Samuel Taylor, Coleridge, William Wordsworth, Austen, and Byron. It was during the Romantic period that Gothic literature was born. Trails of Gothic literature and dark and gloomy settings and characters and situations that are fantastic, grotesque, while Favorage, mysterious and often melodramatic. Two of the most famous Gothic novelists are Anne and Mary Shelley. Next is the Victorian period. The Victorian period of English literature began with the accession of Queen Victoria to the throne in 1837 and lasted until the death in 1901. 1901 क्वीन की डेथ हो गई. Began the Victorian period of English literature spans over six decades. The year 1870 is often used that divided the area into early Victorian and लास्ट विक्टोरियन क्योंकि इनके दो इरा थे को दोनों को में डिवाइड किया गया है. In general, Victorian literature deals with the issues and problems of the day. Some contemporary issues that the Victorian deal which include the social, economic, religious and intellectual issues and problems surrounding the Industrial Revolution, growing class tension, the early feminist movement pursued and towards political and social reforms, and the impact of the Charles theory of evaluation on philosophy and religion. Some of the most recognized authors of the Victorian are include Alfred Lord Tennyson, Elizabeth Betty Browning, her husband Robert Matthew Arner, Charles Dickens, George Eliot, and Thomas Hardy. This is the very famous writers the Victorian age. Within the Victorian age, two other literary movements, that of the Pre-Republics 1848 to 1860, 1848 से लेकर 1860 तक, and the movement of Augustism and Dickens 1880 से लेकर 1900 तक. Again promises. In 1848, a group of English artists including Dante Gabriel from the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. It was the aim of the group to return painting to a style of truthfulness, simplicity, and religious devotion that had religion prior to Raphael and High Italian Renaissance. Rohisty and his literary cycle. which include the Fifter, Krifta incorporated these include into their literature, and the result was that of the literary reflective, the Augustism and Dickens movement of English literature. The Ephytism and Dickens movement of English literature grew out of the French movement of the same name. The authors of the movement encouraged experimentation and held the view with the art is totally opposed natural norms of morality. This style of literature opposed the dominance of scientific thinking and defined the hostility of society to any art that was not useful or do not teach moral values. It was useful or did not teach moral values. It was from the movement of Augustism and Dickens that the phrase art for art's sake emerged. A well-known author of the English movement in Blight, the Edwardian period. The Edwardian period is named for King Edward VII and spans the time from Queen Victoria's death 1901 to the beginning of World War One 1940 यानी 1914 में. During that time, the British Empire was its highly and the wealthy lived of mathematics, lyrics. However, 450 of the English population lived in scholar